Starburst. I get the Starburst. I hope you got... I feel like I just need to take a deep breath for a second. Like I'm running out of breath. I actually, sorry, I just spit. I'm shedding. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with the fall favorites tag. Yay! I don't know if I've ever done a tag video on my channel. I don't think that I have. This will be my first tag video. If you like tag videos, then give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment and let me know what other tag videos you want to see me do. So this tag video was created by the beautiful one and only Jaclyn Hill here on YouTube. I actually follow her on Snapchat, so I had seen her talking about possibly creating a tag video. I was so excited when she finally came out with her video and the list of questions because she's thebomb.com and I knew that she would have really fun questions, and I feel like this is a great way to kind of get a feel for what someone really loves about the fall season. If you want to see what my fall favorites are, then just please keep watching. Alrighty, so let's jump right into the questions. I've written them down here. So the very first question is, what is your favorite fall candle? I love Yankee candles. They are by far my favorite. Don't get me near a Yankee store.
I just throw all caution to the wind and the budget is out the door and we will come home with 100,000 candles.
There is two that I absolutely love. The first candle is definitely fall appropriate and it just makes me feel like the fall season is upon us. The Apple Pie, the Country Kitchen Traditional Favorites by Yankee Candle. It smells divine. Like straight up apple pie, just family getting together and that smell of that apple pie baking. That is what it smells like and it is delicious. I'm gonna give you my second one, which is almost gone. This one isn't so much a fall scent. It is the Yankee Candle Pink Sands. It is one of my all-time favorite candles. If you could see, this one is almost gone. It's like a clean, kind of, little bit of a perfumey kind of smell. Perfumey, is that a word? A really light, fresh scent. Kind of reminds me of warmer season. I hate being cold. So when it's really cold outside and I'm just not feeling the cold weather, I will light this candle and just breathe it in, and it just takes me back to the warmer seasons where I find my happy place. This is definitely one of my favorite candles and one that I honestly burn all year round, including the fall. The second question is your favorite lip color. We all know I'm makeup obsessed, so of course I couldn't go with just one color. I mean, I tried, but I can't. So I have several favorites that are my favorite currently because it's always changing because I'm always trying new things. The first one is this Milani. This is actually a newer purchase for me and I'm obsessed with it. This is the Milani lipstick in Double Espresso, number 38. And let me do a little swatch. It is a gorgeous, like chocolatey brown color. Please ignore my nails. I think it's gorgeous for fall and it actually makes your teeth look pretty white. I feel like that one really kind of brightens up your smile. So that's one of my favorites. The next one is by New Blissful Cosmetics, and I'm gonna have everything linked below, so if you want to check any of these products out, they will be linked in the down bar below. But this is number 522 Plum Berry, and this is like a nice berry purple shade. It just reminds me of the fall, the beautiful berry shades that are just so popular right now. It's beautiful, and that is one of my favorite shades. This one is a gloss, and this is by NYX, and this is their butter gloss. I'm obsessed with the butter glosses. This is in the shade Ginger Snap, another like brown. This has a little bit, kind of a little bit of a purple tint to it. It is beautiful. And I feel like without any lip liner or anything, I can put this on and it actually makes my lips look a little bit plumper. Then last but not least, the one that I'm wearing right now, if you're looking for a red lipstick, This is the one. It's gorgeous. This is also by NYX, and this is called Simply Red, and it's their lip cream or lip crayon. Yeah, lip cream. And it's just like a little roll-up stick. And what I love about this is that you don't really need lip liner. You can use lip liner if you want, but you don't need it because it's in this stick form. When it dries, it has more of a matte finish to it, and it is just gorgeous. That again is what I am wearing on my lips today, and I'm obsessed. I love it. Okay, the next question is, what is my favorite fall drink? And let's be real, I've got 3 kids, so ain't nobody got time to run out to Starbucks and get some fancy coffee every single morning. I wish I did, but I don't. We bring Starbucks to our house. Here is what I like to make in the mornings during the fall. Get the Starbucks Veranda. It's the Veranda blend. I think that's how you pronounce it. The Veranda blend. It's the blonde roast, so it's like the light roast. I don't like strong coffee. Can't do it. Tastes like cigarette butts to me. I like a light roasted coffee. And we just started getting the whole bean version of this, and we have the little, what do you call it? The little thing that grinds up the beans. A coffee grinder? That's probably a good name for it. It tastes so nice and fresh. Make a cup of coffee, and then I use the International Delight. I think that's the brand. I'm gonna pop it in right here so that you can see it. It is the pumpkin creamer. OMG. Whew. Perfection. End of story. Done. Done. I am so sorry if my voice sounds froggy. I've got reflux, and today has been a rough reflux day for me. And when it's a bad reflux day, my voice sounds like a frog. Okay, the next question is, what is your favorite blush? And again, I could not narrow it down to just one, so I picked 2 of my favorites. One of them is an oldie but a goodie by MAC. This is called Love Thing. I think it's a beautiful berry wine shade. Look at this. Look at that. It's perfect for fall. I think it really goes great with the fall colors, with the fall looks, with the fall makeup trends. This berry shade never goes out of style. Again, this is Love Thing by MAC. Some of my favorite blushes are the Makeup Geek blushes, and this one is by far my favorite one. It is the one that I'm wearing today, and this is called Sweet as Cocoa. If you've watched my channel for a while, you've probably seen me wear this or mention this in other videos. Brown with a little bit of shimmer. It's like a bronzy kind of shade. I don't really know how to explain it. It's just a beautiful brown, bronzy kind of shade. And I just think it's so beautiful and just gives you this nice, beautiful, bronzy glow. I feel like for the fall, that is all I will probably be wearing. Out of all the blushes, that will be one of the ones that I wear the most. The next thing is, what is my favorite clothing item? And I'm actually wearing one of them now, and that is cardigans. This one is not one that I would really wear during the fall unless I had a long sleeve shirt on underneath of it, but because of the lights in here, it's hot as crap. I've got some right over here to the side that I'm gonna grab, so I will show you. So like I said before, I am not a fan of cold weather, so I'm all about layering and being able to throw on a tank top or throw on a short sleeve shirt and then pop on a cardigan to make it look like an outfit, look like I tried. I'm all about that life. This one is like a, I don't know what kind of print you would call this. Someone, if you know what kind of print this is, leave it below. I can't even remember where I got that one. This one I want to say I got from Kohl's, but this is a super long cardigan, like goes all the way down to the back of my knee. I love it. This one is by Day Trip, and I got this one from Buckle. A little bit of fringe on the side, but it just makes it look like I really did something, and I really didn't. So that's what I'm all about. And as you can see, the trend is gray. I really like the shade gray for the fall. And then this last one is also Day Trip. I got the last one with the fringe from Buckle. This one also came from Buckle. And it's another gray. Look at that. And this is kind of like maybe like a tribal print type of thing. Well, cardigans are my jam. They are my fall jam. Like that is what you will see me in 99% of the time during the fall. Next question is favorite fall movie. This one was kind of hard because I'm not a big movie watcher. I'm just not, because I'm just so busy, and unless it's a Disney movie because I have kids, I usually am not watching anything. My favorite movie for the fall, I would have to say, is the movie Rudy, and it's an older movie, so if you're young, you probably have never even heard of it, but it is about this guy who just had these great ambitions to play football for Notre Dame, and he doesn't give up on his dream. I love football. Me and my husband watch football together all the time during the fall, and football equals fall. Fall equals football. That's what gets me excited about fall. That movie just reminds me of the fall because that's when it's set and it's all about football and this guy chasing his dream, and I just love it. I love that movie. If you haven't seen it, then you should totally watch it. Okay, favorite fall TV show. This one was a no-brainer for me. I don't ever watch TV, but when it comes to fall, the one show that I do watch, or I DVR it so that I can watch every single episode, and that is The Voice. I am obsessed with The Voice. I think the camaraderie between the judges is so much fun. I just sit there and I laugh my butt off for like an hour. I just think it's funny, and I think that they have amazing talent. I am just obsessed with that show. Always have been from the first episode until now. Hands down my favorite show. Next question is your favorite Thanksgiving food. It's so hard to narrow it down to one when you have big family get-togethers and you have this big spread of food. Everybody always has mashed potatoes and macaroni and cheese. And those are like, Thanksgiving reminds me of comfort foods. Mashed potatoes and nice cheesy mac and cheese is like, whoo, thank you, Jesus. So that is my favorite Thanksgiving foods. We are down to our very last question. My favorite Halloween costume. I really haven't dressed up for Halloween in a long time, but my favorite Halloween costume has to be probably when I was like, I don't even know, 19 or 20, something like that. I was really young. This was a long time ago, and the place that I worked for, I was on a certain team, and we all dressed up as characters from Wizard of Oz. Who do you think that I got picked to be? Any guesses? Any guesses? I got picked to be the Cowardly Lion, and so I just thought it was really funny and really fitting that, of course, the girl with the big fluffy curly hair got picked to be the Cowardly Lion. It just worked out perfectly, and I will insert a picture right here so that you can see what I look like. Now, my makeup job, not the best. Practice makes perfect, right? That is my favorite Halloween costume that I have ever dressed up as. Okay guys, that is it. That's the entire tag video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I really had a lot of fun filming it and giving you guys a little bit of insight into what I love about fall. What are your fall favorites? List them down below. So I would love to see what you love about the fall season. I'm gonna tag a few YouTubers down below, so be on the lookout for your name, and if you get tagged, I hope that you will film a fall favorites video as well. Follow me on all my other social sites, and of course, if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, because I will love you forever and ever and ever. Amen. I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.